Dear students, in this video you are going to learn about factorization of quadratic polynomial. Look at the first example. Factorize x square plus 5x plus 6. Now let us learn how to factorize this. Factorizing this polynomial means we have to write this quadratic polynomial as a product of two polynomials. Now, x square plus 5x plus 6. Do you remember the general form of a quadratic polynomial? General formula of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. This is the general form of a quadratic polynomial. What is a here? A means the coefficient of x square. Here coefficient of x square is 1. What is b? B means coefficient of x. Here coefficient of x is 5. And what is c? C is a constant term. C is equal to 6. So in this polynomial, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 5, c is equal to 6. Now, here in this polynomial, we have only 3 terms. See here, x square plus 5x plus 6. Now, we are factorizing this quadratic polynomial by splitting method. We are using splitting method. In splitting method, we have to split the middle term. The middle term is 5x. We have to split the middle term 5x into 2 terms. Now, while splitting, you have to follow this rule. You have to split 5x such that sum of the two numbers should be 5 and product of two numbers should be 1 into 6, that is a into c. Sum should be equal to b. We have to find two numbers such that their sum is 5, sum is equal to b, that is 5, and product is equal to a into c. Here a is 1, c is 6, so 1 into 6. Find two numbers such that their sum is 5, product is 6. Now split 6 like this and their sum is 5. We know the factors of 6, that is 3 2s are 6 and 6 can be written as 6 into 1 also. See, if I write 6 as 6 and 6 into 1, if I write 6 here, then 1 here, then sum of 6 and 1 is not 5, that is 7. If I write 3 and 2, if I write 3 here, then 2 here, then sum of 3 and 2 is 5. What is the sign here? Plus 3 plus 2 is equal to plus 5. And plus 3 into plus 2 is equal to plus 6. Here sum is plus 5, product is 6 plus 6. So the two numbers are plus 3 and plus 2. Plus 3 into plus 2 is plus 6, plus 3 into plus 2 is plus 5. Now we have to write x square plus 5x plus 6. You have to split the term 5x. Write first term and last term as it is. Now split the middle term. 5x should be written as 3x plus 2x. 5x should be written as 3x plus 2x because we got two numbers here. Their product is 6, sum is 5. The numbers are 3 and 2. So 5x should be written as 3x plus 2x. Now x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. It is same as x square plus 5x plus 6. We have split the middle term, that is 5x. We have written it as 3x and 2x. Now grouping. Now factorize this by grouping. Now group this first two terms together, 2x and 6 together. In x square and 3x, x square can be written as x into x. 3x can be written as 3 into x. In x into x and 3 into x is common term. So keep x outside. So inside the bracket remaining is x plus 3 plus 2x plus 6. 2 and 6. The common term is 2 and 6 are divisible by 2. Keep 2 outside. Here remaining is x plus, if I divide 6 by 2, remaining is 3. See here, 2 into x is 2x, 2 3s are 6. X into x is x square, x into 3 is 3x. Now see here, x plus 3 is the common term. Write it outside, put the bracket. If I remove x plus 3 and I write outside, then remaining is x plus 2. That is x plus 2. So x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to x plus 3 into x plus 2. So we have written x square plus 5x plus 6 as product of two polynomials, that is x plus 3 and x plus 2. This is known as factorization of quadratic polynomial by splitting method. See one more example. X square minus 7x plus 6. Here what is A? A is 1. B is, A means coefficient of x square. Along with x square nothing is there, that is 1. A is equal to 1. B, coefficient of x, that is minus 7. Now constant term C, that is 6. Now multiply A and C, that is A into C is equal to 1 into 6, that is 6. So we have to find two terms by splitting method. We have to find two numbers such that their product is plus 6, and sum is minus 7. Sum is minus 7. See here you have to write the number by multiplying here the coefficient of x square and the constant term. 1 into 6 is plus 6 right here, and the middle term right here minus 7. Now look at the factors of 6. 6 can be written as 6 into 1. 6 can be written as 3 into 2. Okay. Now see here, 6 into 1 is 6 and sum of 6 and 1 is 7. So I can write 6 here, 1 here. But I should get the sum minus 7. So I have to write minus 6 here, minus 1 here. Now see here, minus 6 minus 1 is minus 7. If two numbers have the same sign, then you have to add. If I add 6 and 1, I will get 7. If the two numbers have same sign, then put the same sign in the sum also, that is minus 7. And minus into minus is plus. 6 into 1 is 6. Minus into minus plus. So minus 6 into minus 1 is plus 6. See here, minus 6 into minus 1 is plus 6. Minus 6 plus minus 1 is equal to minus 7. So we got two numbers. They are minus 6 and minus 1. So two numbers are minus 6 and minus 1. Now you have to split minus 7x such that you have to write it as minus 6x minus 1x. First term and last term as it is. First term and last term as it is, x square and plus 6. You have to split the middle term, that is 7x. Write it as minus 6x minus 1x. Now grouping. First and second term group together. Third and fourth term group together. In x square and x square and minus 6x, x is common. If I take outside, here remaining is x minus here remaining is 6. So x into x minus 6. Here what the sign is there right here, minus 1x and 6. Common term is 1. 1 and 6 are divisible only by 1. So 1 is common, remaining x. Here plus is there, but outside the bracket minus is there. So you have to write minus 6. Now you can check it out. See here, minus 1 into x is minus 1x. Minus 1 into minus 6 is plus 6. By multiplying this, you have to get minus 1 in x plus 6. Here also x into x square. X into minus 6, minus 6x. Now see here, x minus 6 is common. Here x remaining is x minus 1. So factorization of x square minus 7x plus 6 gives x minus 6 into x minus 1. See here, x square minus x minus 6. Now while doing splitting method, split like this. Here you have to write product of coefficient of first term and the constant term, last term. Coefficient of first term is 1 into the last term is minus 6. So 1 into minus 6 is minus 6. Now the coefficient of middle term, that is x, nothing is there here, this is 1. So minus 1. See here, the product is negative, that is minus 6 here. Now write the factors of 6. 3 2s are 6 and 6 can be written as 6 into 1 also. Since the product is negative, the two numbers should have opposite sign because plus into minus is minus, minus into plus is minus. And while finding the sum, if two numbers have opposite sign, then we have to subtract. So here, since the product is minus, we have to find two numbers such that their product is 6 and their difference is 1. Their difference is 1. Now 3 and 2, product is 6. 3 and 2, difference is 1. If I take 6 and 1, 6 into 1 is 6. But difference of 6 and 1 is 5. So I won't get 1. So I have to write 3 and 2 here. What is the sign? Here I should write either minus and plus or plus and minus. See here, You have to get the sum minus 1. Put this sign for bigger number. Minus. This is plus. Now once check here. Minus 3 into plus 2. 3 2s are 6. Minus into plus minus. So minus 3 into plus 2 is minus 6. Now minus 3 and plus 2 add. While finding the sum, numbers have different sign means subtract. 3 minus 2 1. Bigger number sign, that is minus. So minus 3 plus 2 is equal to minus 1. Minus 3 into plus 2 is equal to minus 6. So two numbers are minus 3 and plus 2. Now instead of minus 1x, you have to write minus 3x plus 2x. Minus 3x plus 2x. First term and last term same. Now grouping. In x square and minus 3x, x is common. If I take 1x outside from x square, the remaining is x minus. Here I take 1x outside, means remaining is 3 minus 3 plus 2x minus 6. 2 and 6 are divisible by 2. Keep it outside. Here remaining x minus 6 by 2 is 3. Once you check here, 2 into x is 2x, 2 into 3 is 6 minus 6. So x minus 3, x minus 3 is a common factor. Remaining is x plus 2. So x minus 3 into x plus 2 are the factors of x square minus x minus 6. Now see here, 6x square plus 5x minus 6. Now we are applying splitting method, split, such that product is 6 into minus 6. 6 into minus 6, that is minus 36. The product is minus 36. We have to find two numbers such that their product is minus 36 and sum is plus 5. Here write the middle term's coefficient. Now look at the factors of 36. 6 6 are 36. 36 can be written as 2 18s are 36. 36 can be written as 4 9s are 36. 36 can be written as 12 3s are 36. 36 can be written as 18 into 2 also, and 36 can be written as 36 into 1. In these many ways we can write 6 into 6 is 36, 2 18s are 36, 4 9s are 36, 12 3s are 36, 18 2s are 36, 36 1s are 36. Now in these many sets we have to find set of two numbers such that their product is 36. Here all the numbers have the product is 36 and their difference is 5 because here it is minus 36. So numbers will have opposite sign. While finding the sum of numbers having opposite sign, we have to subtract. So find two numbers such that their product is 36 and difference, because minus here, difference is 5. Now 6 6 are 36, but 6 minus 6 is 0. 2 18s are 36, but 18 minus 2 is 16, not 5. 4 9s are 36 and 9 minus 4 is 5. So you can write 9 4s are 36. On the upper side, first you write the bigger number, then smaller number. 9 4s are 36. And 12 3s are 36, but 12 minus 3 is not 5. 12 minus 3 is 9. 18 2s are 36, 18 minus 2 is 16. 36 1s are 36, but 36 minus 1 is 35. So only number we are getting, their product is minus 36 and their sum is plus 5, are plus 9 and minus 4. Put the sign of this to the first number, that is here, for the bigger number. Now see here, plus into minus is minus. 9 4s are 36. So plus 9 into minus 4 is minus 36. Plus 9 minus 4 is equal to plus 5. Different sign, subtract. 9 minus 4, 5. Put the bigger number sign, that is plus. Plus 9 into minus 4 is equal to minus 36. Plus 9 plus minus 4 is equal to 5, plus 5. So the two numbers are plus 9 and minus 4. Now you have to split 5x such that you have to write it as plus 9x minus 4x. Here 6x square minus 6. Now grouping 6x square and 9x. Here minus 4x minus 6. 6 and 9 are divisible by 3. X square and x, common term is x. So 6x square and 9x, common factor is 3x. Write it outside. Now 3 2s are 6. So write 2 here. 3 2s are 6. X into x, x into x is x square. So 3x into 2x is equal to 6x square. Here, see here, 3 into what is equal to 9. 3 3s are 9. X into 1 is equal to x. No need of writing x here. So 3x into 2x plus 3. Write this sign minus here also. Now 4 and 6 are divisible by 2. If I take 2 outside, here remaining 2, how much are 4? 2 2s are 4. 2 into what is equal to x? 2 into x is equal to x. Since minus is outside the bracket, here you have to write plus, because minus into plus is minus. Now minus 2 into plus 3 is equal to minus 6. Minus 2 into plus 3 is equal to minus 6. Now see here, 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3. Write it outside. Now remaining 3x minus 2. So the factors of 6x square plus 5x minus 6 are 2x plus 3 and 3x minus 2. Now see here, factorize 6x square plus x minus 2. Now splitting method we are applying. Find two numbers such that their product is coefficient of first term, that is 6, into last term, that is minus 2. So 6 into minus 2 is minus 12. Now split minus 12 such that product of two numbers is minus 12 and their sum is the coefficient of middle term, that is no number there, so that is 1. Now write the factors of 12. 12 is equal to 2 6s are 12. 12 can be written as 3 4s are 12 and 4 3s are 12. 12 can be written as 6 2s are 12. 12 can be written as 12 ones are 12. So these many factors are there for 12. In that, you have to find the numbers whose product is 12. So product of all these numbers is 12. Product of this set of numbers is 12. 2 6 are 12, 3 4 are 12, 6 2 are 12, 12 ones are 12. Since the product is negative here, you should get the opposite sign, that is plus and minus. You have to find two numbers such that their product is 12 and their difference is 1, because product is minus. Difference is 1. Now 6 into 2 is 12, but 6 minus 2 is 4, not 1. 3 4s are 12 and 4 minus 3 is 1. So we can write that 4 3s are 12. Here put the sign of this number, that is plus 1 here, plus, here minus. Now you check once. 4 3s are 12, plus into minus minus. So plus 4 into minus 3 is equal to minus 12. And you satisfy one more condition, that is plus 4 plus minus 3 is equal to 4 minus 3 1, different sign, so subtract. 4 minus 3 1, bigger number sign is plus, so plus 1. Plus 4 into minus 3 is equal to minus 12. So the two numbers are plus 4 and minus 3. So instead of plus 1x, you have to write plus 4x minus 3x. The last term same, minus 2. First term also same, 6x square. Now grouping. Here, the factors of 6 and 4. The common factor of 6 and 4 is 6 and 4 is divisible by 2. So the highest common factor of 6 and 4 is 2. X square and x, common factor is 1x. Now if I take 2x outside, see here 2 how much are 6? 2 3s are 6. X into what is equal to x square? X into x is equal to x square. Plus 2 into what is equal to 4? 2 into 2. X into 1 is equal to x. So 2x into 3x plus 2. Check once here. 2x into 3x is 6x square. 2x into 2 is 4x. Now minus, here it is minus, so write here also. In 3x and 2, 3 and 2 are divisible only by 1. So write 1 outside. If I write 1 outside, inside the bracket 3x. If I take 1 outside of 2, that is 2. Once you check, minus 1 into 3x is minus 3x. Minus 1 into minus 2 is plus 2. So you have to put plus here. Minus 1 into plus 2 is equal to minus 2. Now common factor is 3x plus 2. If I take common outside, remaining is 2x minus 1. This is about factorization of quadratic polynomials.